Hello friends, today this concept is not so much important for 11 so far as corona situation is concerned friends, but it is very useful for you for your whole life, commerce life. If you want to become top in commerce, then you have to consider this all these points: percentiles, quartiles and deciles. At first, quartiles. What is quartiles? Quartiles means divide the data in four equal parts. So you have to make four equal parts of an object. You have to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to calculate three quartiles, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So there are three quartiles. Then deciles. Deciles means divide the data in 10 equal points. You have to make 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then you have required 9 D1, D2, D3 and so there are 9 D cells which convert the data in 4. 3 quartiles convert the data in 4 parts. Now for percentage same way, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P99 they convert the data in 100 point. So if you have to find out quartiles, you have to divide it by 4. You have to find out deciles, you have to divide it by 10. And you have to find out percentile, you have to divide the data by 100. So, for ungrouped data, first step, arrange the data in ascending order, then Qj is equal to j into n plus 1 by 4th observation. For deciles, dj, j n plus 1 by 10th observation. And for pj, percentile, j n plus 1 by 100. Most happy concept, median is equal to Q2 is equal to P50. The value of median M, Q2 and P50 are always equal. Q1 is equal to P25, always Q1 is equal to P25 and Q3 is equal to P74, 5 friends. So first example, find Q1, Q3, D8 and P40. So first quartile, third quartile, 8th decile and 40th percentile. First time arrange the data in ascending order. At first comes -3, then 0, then 1, then 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 12. So number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So first you have to find out Q1, first quartile. Q1 is equal to 1 n plus 1 by 4th observation. So first one, n is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 4 is 2.5th observation. So 2.5th observation from ascending order, first, second and third. 2.5 comes here. So second and between third observation. So Q1 is equal to second observation first, then plus 0.5, so 0.5, then third observation minus second observation, third observation minus second observation. Second observation is 0 plus 0.5, third observation is 1 and minus second observation is 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 into 0.5 is equal to 0.5. So Q1 is equal to 0.5. Now third quartile, friends. Third quartile, Q3. Here 1, here 3. So 3, 10 plus 1 by 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 4, 2.5. 2.5 into 3, 7.5th observation. So 7.5 from here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 7.85 comes between 7 and 8th observation. So 7 and 9. So Q3 is equal to 7th observation plus 0.5 minus bracket in bracket 8th observation is 9, 8th observation minus 7th observation. Friends, remember one thing, first data is here, last data. First is last. Here First data is last data. First data is last. First is last. So remember one thing. So seventh observation, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Seventh observation is 7 plus 0.5. Eighth observation is 9 and seventh observation is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 into 0.5, 1. 1 plus 7, so Q3 is equal to 8. Now 8th decile, you have to find out 8th decile. P8, D8. So DJ, formula is D. J is equal to 8. N plus 1 by 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 10. 1. 1 into 8 is equal to 8 observation. So 8 observation is your 8 decile. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8 number is 9. So D8 is equal to 9. And P40, so 40th decile, percentile, you have to find out percentile to 100. Remember only one thing, friends. Quartiles divided by 4, quartile divided by 4, decile divided by 10, and percentile divided by 100. So 40, n plus 1 by 100, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 100 is 40. So 0, 0, 1, so it is from 4th. So fourth observation is your 48 decile. Fourth observation, friend, here ascending order first, second, third, and fourth observation is 3. So P40 is equal to 3. Please, friends, once again it is my humble request that attend some of my forthcoming videos. Please. Thank you. We will carry on tomorrow.